implementation, right? Now let's understand, why SDVs are coming to the picture um, at a much more faster rate right now than before. One thing is, imagine you are the car manufacturer, okay? So how do you make money? One thing, there are two ways primarily. One is when you make a sale, okay, when the customer makes a purchase of a vehicle from you, or when the customer comes back to you for the vehicle maintenance. So these are the two cases when you used to make money, right? Now when you implement an SDV type of program, then there'll be a third form of income coming up, that is recurring revenue, and that is a much more stable form of revenue also. Basically, um, to have the user or the customer have access of all the different application which he required for his particular vehicle, and to maintain ownership of those applications, he'll have to pay a subscription amount, okay? And uh, since that subscription amount is paid on a recurring basis, maybe monthly, maybe yearly, the company is able to make some profit out of it, and that is a more stable form of revenue rather than depending on the customer to come back for servicing, or depending on the customer to purchase some vehicle. Those are some things which are not under our control, that is in the control of the customer. But when it comes to this application accessibility, or letting the customer have access for all these applications, then yes, that is something which the company can take control over, and it can uh, charge the customers as per its requirement and maintain a stable form of revenue. Now that is from the, you know car manufacturer side. What is the benefit for the user? Okay, one thing, like I said, is increased personalization. So you'll have more options for personalizing the car as per your requirements. Second thing being that there is more improved safety. So now, since each of the hardware component is being monitored by the onboard software, if any particular component starts malfunctioning or does not perform its function as intended, then the software can detect, okay, this particular component is not working right, and can inform the vehicle owner that there is some issue with this particular part. You should probably get it checked. So by doing this, we are preventing any further, major accident from taking place, which could have taken place. But now, with the help of the software, we're able to avoid that scenario. So yeah, that is a form of predictive maintenance. But if you look at it in another way, even the ADAS system on your car now, which is being controlled by a much more sophisticated software, will be able to respond to critical scenarios much more quicker, and that definitely aids the customer in terms of any form of accidents, right? So if you look about it, it's kind of a win-win scenario for both. Even the car manufacturer or the company will be earning a steady form of revenue, and on the other hand, the customer is able to have more personalization options, not just more personalization options, but also more improved safety features now. So as you can see, why software defined vehicles are coming to picture now. Let's try to understand what are the uh, challenges we are currently facing with SDVs.